we don't have leadership. A leader is somebody who stands out. He looks to the betterment of the organization he belongs to, and he takes everybody with him. The day we get the leadership in our country in a big way, like Mahatma Gandhi, one single man took everybody with him, and he took India to freedom as we see it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Now, we promised everybody that we start on time and we end on work. Written over there, the other verses are supposed to be sung and created by everybody as we go along. Yes?
Cabecita, tena camaka, posicionita, tena camaka, carapendita, tena camaka, tu pegoyedita, tena maka, akazai, zai, akazai, zai, sobi koye akazai, akazai, zai, akazai, zai, sobi koye akazai.
Plastic potty dita,
Tena kamaka,
autuka plastic patin dita,
tena kamaka,
mama tuka plastic bottle dita,
tena kamaka,
autuka recycling dita,
tena kamaka, akazai, zai, akazai, zai, sobi koye akazai, akazai, zai, akazai, zai.
Okay, somebody else now. Okay. Chemical fertilizer,
Tena kamaka,
sorry, chemical insecticide,
tena kamaka,
how about chemical weedicide,
tena kamaka,
Zai,
akazai, zai, akazai, zai, sobi koye akazai, akazai, zai, akazai, zai, sobi koye akazai.
Okay, what else? Anik diesel gadi,
Tena kamaka,
what else? Kerosene gadi,
tena kamaka,
solar power,
akazai, zai, akazai, zai, sobi koye akazai, akazai, zai, akazai, zai, sobi koye akazai.
nuclear power,
Tena kamaka,
hydroelectric power,
tena kamaka,
also top power,
tena kamaka,
solar power,
zai, akazai, zai, akazai, zai, sobi koye akazai, akazai, zai, akazai, zai, sobi koye akazai.
river princess,
Tena kamaka,
fire at your star balls,
tena kamaka,
crowded beaches, out of a goya,
zai, maka, zai, 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 sobi koye akazai, akazai, zai, akazai, zai, sobi koye akazai.
You got something else? Yeah.
Mega project is on.
Okay, how about Charos Ganja,
Tena kamaka, mega project dita. Tena kamaka,
prostitution and pedophilia,
tena kamaka,
Austuka Goya,
zai, maka, akazai, zai, akazai, zai, sobi koye akazai, akazai, zai, akazai, zai, sobi koye akazai.
For Jolie, Saligao. Just a little word about the song. What's it about? Like, What's the song?
Saligao, and it just tells us about how Saligao is beautiful like a village, and the boys and the girls in Saligao are the best, the most handsome, the most beautiful, like the sugar cane in the field. Okay? So, Oli Saligao, Jadi Koshi Amjagao, Sodan Peligao, Sweet Home Saligao, Botoli Saligao, Jadi Koshi Amjagao, Sodan Peligao, Sweet Home Saligao. Saligao Chetole, Ushi Chetole, Taka Mundai Kole. Saligao Chetole, Ushi Chetole, Taka Mundai Kole.
Saligao Chetole, Ushi Chetole, Taka Mundai Kole. Saligao Chetole, Ushi Chetole, Taka Mundai Kole.
Bordoli Saligao, Jadi Amjagao, Sodan Peligao, Sweet Home Saligao, Bordoli Saligao, Jadi Amjagao, Sodan Peligao, Sweet Home Saligao.
Okay, friends, I think the Eartha has been a very fruitful time for all of us. But before we leave, I think all of us need a slogan to go by. And the slogan should be, if we open a tap, let's close the tap. Because for most times when we open the tap, we don't have running water, it's left open. And when the water comes in, water is just flowing unnecessarily. So let's bear this in mind. When you open the tap, please close the tap.
Okay, sure. Let's shout it as a slogan, no?
Okay,
When we open the tap!
Let's close the tap together.
When we open the tap!
Let's close the tap.
When we open the tap!
Let's close the tap.
Okay, Suhail.
Okay, the organizers, I would like to thank all of you all for coming for the Eartha and showing how much you all love the planet Earth. We should protect the planet every day, not only for 1 hour. We would like to thank Sister Antoinette and Sister Leandra and all the sisters for allowing us to have this program. See you next year at Eartha 2012. Same place and same time. Thank you. Good night.
Okay, anybody who wants to come